December 3rd, Skyway Classics Car Show, Lakewood Ranch, Florida. We're in the main gazebo to the facility, and it appears that they have nothing but Mopar drag racing on the slot cars. Challengers right here. Roadrunners over there. More Roadrunners here on the slot car drag race. And you got one Mark the Boss. That's got to be a GTX right there. Cool. Very nice. That guy's had too many beers at the beer tent. Very interesting gazebo here in a state-of-the-art consignment storage facility for classic cars. Skyway Classics, Lakewood Ranch, Florida. Beautiful.